Welcome to mathematics lesson today. Today we have mathematics, and today is 18th August 2017. We want to talk about the surface area of a cylinder. Surface area of a cylinder. Welcome to this class. Remember last time we said that the cylinder looks like that. This is our cylinder. This is our cylinder. When you are given the height is 50 centimeters, and the diameter is 28. We can get the surface area of this shape. The surface area of this shape, we said we have a shortcut, and we have the surface area of the closed cylinder. We said it is 2 pi r plus h. So what we need to do is just to substitute. So we have the pi, that is 2 times 22/7 times radius 14 times 14 plus 50, you get 64. Then we can cancel and you get by 7 1, by 7 2. And then we get 2 times 22, 44, times 2, 88. We get that is 88 times 64. When you multiply this one, we are going to get 4 times 8, 32, carry 3, 4 times 8, 32 plus 3, 35. Then 6 times 8 is 48, carry 4. 6 times 8, 48 plus 4, we get 52. And then the total we add, we get 2, 13, 6, 6, and these are centimeters square. I hope nobody will forget that. So this is the surface area of a cylinder. Have you understood? Thank you.
Hamjambo wanafunzi. Wakati wa Kiswahili. Na somo letu leo ni kuhusu maamkizi. Kwa maamkizi ni Kiswahili, ni salamu. Na tutasoma kwa mfano neno hujambo. Hujambo, jibu lake ni si jambo. Kuna maamkizi habari. Jibu lake ni nzuri au njema. Maamkizi huenda sawa na adabu, kwa hivyo tutasema, ikiwa unaenda kwa watu utasema hodi, jibu lake ni karibu. Shikamoo takuwa marahaba. Hamjambo hatujambo.
Good morning, learners. Today is 21st of April 2017. We have social studies. Class 5. We are going to learn about the shape of Kenya. Now, Kenya is found in the Eastern Africa. It's in Eastern and the shape of Kenya is very beautiful. It's very simple, and it is just like something like that. You are going to see that even in your maps. You are going to see now. That is the simple way that in which we can draw Kenya. We have Kenya divided into two parts. It's divided across by the equator, 0 degrees equator. Equator is the line of latitude that we are going to learn later on about. To this side, we have the southern part of Eastern Africa, so we can have the arrow there showing our compass showing north. This side is east, and then west, and then south. So we are going to learn later on about the neighbors of Kenya. So today the homework will be to try and draw Kenya in the best way you can. Thank you.
Welcome to this class, it's economics. My name is Enoch. I want to take 2 minutes to discuss something that is important to us from Kenya. I will discuss the vicious cycle of poverty. Cycle of poverty. I'm going to define what it is. I'll discuss the causes, and then I'll challenge you to find solutions, the solutions. To our definition, vicious is something that is really bad, so aggressive, like a bad animal, the way it attacks. So the vicious cycle of poverty occurs when poverty has ingrained itself in a community, and usually it's so much that in 2 or 3 generations a family cannot get out of poverty unless there is external intervention. If it is a country, people are so poor that unless there is help from outside, they can remain poor for 2 or 3 generations. That is the definition of poverty. The main causes of the vicious cycle of poverty are low investments. Everything is low investments, low savings, low investments, low savings, mainly they are low capital, now we ask ourselves, if you are faced with such a situation as a country or a family, what are the external factors that can push you out of this poverty, vicious cycle of poverty? That is the challenge, but I can give you an idea for the next class discussion. For instance, education. If someone is educated and exposed to how they can use their God-given resources like intellectual ability, they can be able to move themselves from the vicious cycle of poverty and even push the family and maybe the country out of this. The next time we shall face more solutions to get out of the poverty, vicious cycle of poverty. Thank you. Bye.
Good morning, class. We are going to learn English. Today is 21st of August 2017. Our topic today will be on nouns. So nouns are naming words. They can be names of people such as Enoch, Darwin, Celine, and many others. Nouns can also be names of places like Busan, Korea, Kenya, among many others. The nouns can also represent names of animals, such as they can represent the names of animals, such as elephants, lion, cow, and many other animals. We also have names of things, common things like books, things like cups, and many other things. So in general, a noun is a naming word. They can represent several things: names of places, names of people, names of towns, names of animal, and any other name. I have an example here, a sentence. Kenya is a beautiful country. In this sentence, we have two nouns. One is Kenya, the other one is country. So for your homework, I'm going to give you a few sentences, and you are going to underline the nouns in the given sentences. 1, I am a girl. 2, go to the classroom. So I expect you to underline the correct nouns in the two sentences. In our next lesson, we are going to learn the types, the various types of nouns. Thank you until we meet then.
Good afternoon, class. Today, in our lesson, we are going to learn science, first class 6. Today is 21st August 2017. We are going to learn about parts of a flower. Flowers are beautiful, having different colors. So we are going to look at different parts of this flower. The brightly colored parts are the petals. We call it a petal. The green parts are the sepals. Then we have the filament. Then we have the anthers. This part is the stigma. Then we have the ovary. Inside the ovary, we have the ovules. And then this last part is the stalk. Then the last part here is the style. So I want you to draw this flower, and you can color it, give it red, yellow, or pink. Thank you.
Good morning, boys and girls. In our today's lesson, I'm going to teach creative art. Creative art, standard 6. And our lesson today, we are going to learn about time signature. Time signature. In our previous lesson, we learned that all music, all sounds done by women are written on the G clef, while all sounds done by men and boys are written on F clef. The other name we call it bass clef. And therefore, in our today's lesson, we are specifically going to look at the G clef, music done by women, and I'm going to put it on the music staff. And here is the staff. That is how we write the G clef. And therefore, we are going to do the time signature using the crochet beat. This is how a crochet beat is written. Its name is ta. You clap once, ta. And therefore, our time signature means we are going to take this crochet and place it on the music staff. A music which will be done by a girl, or it can be sung by a woman. This is what we do. Now, when you look at my music staff, every bar has 3 crochets. Therefore, my time signature will be 3/4. And when I clap my time signature, the first bar from this point to this one, we call it a bar. A bar. So when I clap in the rhythm, this is how it will go. First bar, second bar, 1, 2, 3. And therefore, for your homework, you prepare a music staff with a time signature of 4/4, meaning that in every bar there will be 4 crochet beats. Thank you.